Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Yamaha keyboard, safety first. Once done, remove batteries and any memory cards, then flip it over and remove the bottom screws using a Phillips hash one. You'll lift the case edges with a plastic pry tool. Do this gently to avoid tabs. As you open, organize screws in a tray and photograph screw positions so you can reassemble correctly. This sets a stable baseline for accessing the keyboard without causing damage. Now that the case is open, remove the screws securing the keyboard and note spring locations. You'll need those later. Carefully unlock and disconnect any ribbon cables or small power connectors. Press the locking tabs while pulling straight out to avoid damage. Once free, lift the keyboard forward about 1/2 inch to expose the retainer bars and action assembly. You do this to reach individual key clips and the foam or silicone contacts beneath the keys for the next removal steps. To remove a single key, press down slightly on its front, insert a small flat tool under the rear clip, and lift evenly until the key pops free. Do not force or twist. Once keys are off, inspect and clean contacts with 90% isopropyl. Let dry and replace any worn foam or felt. If a key sticks after reassembly, check for misaligned springs or debris, reseat the keyboard and retest before tightening screws. This final check prevents misfires and ensures proper playability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.